In this video, I'm going to show you how to group layers in Pixlr, even though Pixlr does not have a traditional layer folder or group layers feature. The good news is, you can still get the exact same result for free, by either linking layers so they move together, or by merging layers if you want them combined permanently. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Pixlr tips and easy editing guides. Let's get started. First, open your project in Pixlr and look over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where all of your design elements are listed, and it's also where you'll manage the layers you want to organize. Now, let's start with method 1, which is the non-destructive way to group layers. This method is called linking layers. It's the best option if you want several layers to stay connected, but you still want to keep them editable separately. To do this, click your first layer in the Layers panel. Then hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click the other layers you want to include in the group. You can select as many related layers as you need, as long as they are the ones you want to move together. Once your layers are selected, look for the chain or link icon in the Layers panel. Click that icon to link the layers together. As soon as you do that, Pixlr will treat those layers like a linked set. Now test it by moving or resizing one of the layers. You'll notice that the other linked layers move with it. That means your layers are effectively grouped without being flattened into one image. This is the safest option if you think you may want to edit each layer individually later. If you want to separate them again, you can usually unlink them by selecting the layers and clicking the link icon once more. That gives you a flexible workflow and keeps your project fully editable. Now let's move on to method 2, which is the permanent option. This is called merging layers. Use this method when you are sure you want certain layers combined into a single layer. Before merging, go to the Layers panel and click the eye icon next to any layers you do not want included. This hides them temporarily, so only the layers you want to combine remain visible. Make sure only your target group of layers is showing. This is important, because anything visible when you merge can become part of the final combined layer. After that, go to the 3 dots at the top of the Layers panel. Click it, then choose Merge Visible. Pixlr will instantly combine all visible layers into one single layer. Once the merge is complete, you can click the eye icons again to reveal the layers you hid earlier. Your hidden layers will still be there, and your merged group will now act as one layer. Remember, merging is permanent for those layers, so use it when you are confident you won't need to edit them separately anymore. If you want flexibility, use linking. If you want a final combined layer, use Merge Visible. So, just to recap, Pixlr doesn't have a traditional folder-based layer group feature, but you can still organize your design effectively, link layers when you want them to move together without losing editability, and merge layers when you want to combine them into one. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and lets me make more quick Pixlr tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.